I'm going to be making today a song. I have this song for the recorder, and I'm out of 4th grade. I might be going to 5th grade. I don't really know. My mom hasn't told me yet, and nor she showed me my report card telling me if I'm passed or not. But this is my recorder. Some of y'all might know this recorder. Will recognize it, sorry. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning or something. Sorry if my camera isn't focusing. But I'll be doing this song, Rain, Rain, Go Away. It's only just one strip. And once I'm done with it, I also have a piano as well. I can go ahead and play a song. I did 2 years of piano. So I can go ahead and play a song on there. Tell me if you want me to play in the comments. Tell me if you want me to play Smooth Sailing or play the piano. Okay. Without further ado, I will go ahead and play. Sorry, I need to put on my neck piece. Okay. Nobody else is here in my room except for that creepy monkey right over there. Just look at it. If you just stare into his eyes for a long time, that is super creepy. It's like he's watching me in my sleep. Super creepy. I can barely even go to sleep. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this. Since it's been one strip, it's kind of short. It's real short. Sorry, I'm going to go ahead and clean out my recorder. Okay. So leave a like, or if you didn't like it, tell me if you didn't like it. I will accept it no matter what. Because it's up to you for me to play a song on the piano or and play Smooth Sailing if you want to hear it, okay? Well, it's not really up to you. It's I could still play it if I want to, but if I have tons and tons of dislikes on it, I'm not going to play it. Smooth Sailing. But just tell me. Just say in the comments if you want me to go ahead and play on the piano or play Smooth Sailing. So leave a like or dislike, and bye.